No, I have a wife, 2 girls, 8 and 3. I enjoy watching football, playing it if we ever get the chance, do some golfing, spend a lot of time working. So besides home life and maybe, yeah, watching sports. I'll tell you what though, I do like to play the PlayStation from time to time. When the weather gets warmer, I do like to go golfing when I can. Besides that, it's kind of all work most of the times. Favorite video game, played Madden or any Assassin's Creed or stuff like that. Actually, I don't play any online. Don't do any online. Most people play online, I don't know why. Yes, actually I love grilling. An avid griller, smoke, all type of stuff, yeah. We do a lot of steak and chicken. Pretty good at making ribs. So yeah, medium rare, I guess. That's some deep questions. Yeah, like to play golf, eat medium rare steak, and play video games. Production manager. Everything we do from windows, roofing, siding, decks, pretty much we have the guys out in the field, make sure that things essentially get ordered, scheduled, jobs are getting done in timely fashion, stuff like that. The cool thing is, I guess we've always been friends. So being a family-run business, we've kind of known each other forever. There are some new faces that come in, and we just treat them the same way that we treat everybody that we've been doing this for. Movie, in the Marvel movies, Star Wars is a big thing. So yeah, I would say movies more than TV shows. But I would say as a genre goes, I probably prefer Star Wars over everything else. Yeah, Alexa Zabel. No, honestly, yeah, I never really thought about that. No, I mean, that's kind of hit me question that I never really have thought of before. I don't know if I have any role models now. Family, my girls, making sure that you provide for them and you'll be able to get them things and be able to do things that I never did when I was a kid. Probably more introvert, keep to myself. I will, from time to time when needed, put myself out there, or if I know something is right, then I'll speak up. But most of the times I keep to myself.